So hello everyone, welcome back to UGIIT. So in the previous lesson, we created our Webflow account and learned how to create our first project. Today we are going to explore one of the most important parts of Webflow, the designer interface. So at the first, the interface may look overwhelming, but by the end of the lesson, you will understand exactly where everything is and what it does. So, after creating a project, Webflow automatically opens the designer. So if you mind in the previous video, so I have created the UGIIT project. So simply click on the open site in Webflow. So it will be take time based on your internet or internet speed. So so this is the so this is the first canvas of your project. So the designer is where you will build, edit and customize your website visually. So think of it as your digital workspace. So everything you create in Webflow just starts here. So let's start with the center area. So this is the center area of the element, and this is the large area is the canvas. So the canvas represents your website pages and any element you added, such as text, images, buttons and or section will appear here. As you design, you will instantly see how your website looks. So this is the real-time visual editing is one of the Webflow biggest advantages. So first the left panel. So here will be the left panel. So first of all, this is the plus icon. So this is the add element section. This is the add element section. This is where you can add it in the section, container, div blocks, headings, paragraph, image, buttons, forms and also the navigation menu. So this is the section, container, flexbox, div, list, item, link, button, typography, in the heading, paragraph, text, link. So here will be all the element of this listed. So this is the element section, and next this is the pages. So here will be the you can create pages, you can create pages or folders. For folders, after that this is the utility pages, that is password. This is the 404 page. And next this is the element section. So this is the element section. This is the navigator section. So the navigator shows the structure of your page. Think of it like a folder system. So it helps you understand which elements are inside other elements. As your project becomes larger, the navigator becomes extremely useful. So next is the component panel. So this is the component panel. Like if I create any of the component, like header, like website header, like website footer, like website CTA section. So this means this component, it will be the all over the uses any of the pages. So you can drag the component, and you can change any one of the component, and it will be updated all over the entire website that was used in the same component. So and this is the variable section. So I can create a color variable, the various color of variable, and various font of variable. So if you work before any of the CSS, so I can use of this variable under the root element. So this is the variable section. And this is the style selector that has, suppose I have created a heading, suppose h1 heading. So I will be the style of the h1 heading. So this is the exactly where you can store the h1 element style. So this is the interaction section. So when I use any of the GSAP animation, so this will be the show this section. And this is the asset of the images. So this section, so all of the images or assets folder like lottie animation, images, videos. So all of this asset will be stored in this section. And this is the libraries. So right now the libraries is the, suppose I have to use on the, when Webflow form submitted, store in the Google form, Google Sheet. So that's why I have used the libraries in the later. And this is the app section. So it will be the connect various third party plugins like HubSpot, Google Ads, and PayPal payments gateway, and etc. And the in the etc. So this is all about the left panel. And for the right panel, this will be the style element. So here will be the all of the element like display property, padding, margin, and also the sizes element, width, height, min height, max height. And also this is the more option, the ratio and the box size. And this will be the position like absolute, relative, static. And here will be all the typography section, like font weight, font size, line height, color, alignment, and text decoration. And here will be the letter spacing, text inlet, columns, italics, capitalize, direction, and the breaking, and the word wrapping, truncate, stroke, and the text shadow, and all of the background property like background image or background color, all the background clipping, and all the radius, all the border radius like borders, and the effect of the blending effect, opacity, outline, box shadow, and the transforming property, filters, backdrop filter, cursor, and event. And also you can add the any of the custom properties. So so first, this is the style element, and this is the setting. So setting elements means the setting elements means that this section allows you to customize the specific element. For example, button links, image, alt text, from setting. So this is the setting panel, and this is the interaction panel. So this panel is used to create an animation. So you can add hover effect, scroll animation, page load animation, advanced interaction. So we will cover this in the later lesson. So and for the top header, so like this is the responsive tablet version, this is the responsive breakpoint. And also you will also use the in the preview mode. So when you create any of the page of this, so this button will be work on the preview mode. And the publish button, and here will be the publish button. So when your website is ready, click the publish, and make it live on the internet. So and before Webflow allows to the to the free Webflow domain. Like I have created a UGIIT project, so that is domain is the staging domain. This is the ugiit.webflow.io. So when you add any of the custom domain, so it will be the published on your customer, like a ugiit.com or ugiit.in. So when you add the live domain, so it will be the listed in this panel. So the why understanding the interface matters. So many beginners try to jump directly into the building website. However, understanding the designer interface first will save you a lot of time. So once you know where tools and settings are located, designing website becomes much faster and easier. So think to today lesson as learning the dashboard of a car before driving it. So I will recap. Today we learn what is what the designer is, the canvas, the left panel, the right panel, the top toolbar, and responsive device view. So now you have a clear understanding of the Webflow workspace. So in the next episode, we will build our very first web page structure using section, container, and divs blocks. So if you enjoy this lesson, make sure to like the videos and subscribe to UGIIT and turn on the notification. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next class.